Last time I had Greek chicken, I couldn't taste anything because of COVID. Let's eat. Got a lot of recommendations to try the fish and chips. Always dropping the sauce on my pants, bro. That is some exceptional fish and chips. The crispiness in that fish is insane. Greek chicken calls this a snack. This is like the whole pie. What you mean? Here goes their onion rings. I seen what I was missing when I had COVID. There's a nice salty marinade on it. Here's their garlic bread everybody told me to try. Inspirational garlic bread. Nice herbs on the garlic bread, and it's very cheesy on the inside. The worker said the potato salad was really good. Let's find out. First bite for you guys. Not bad, just a little dry and a little under-seasoned. Lastly, you get a quarter of a chicken on the side. Nice grill to this chicken. You can really taste that smokiness, and I'm loving that marinade on top. Tastes like lemon. Everybody said I had to try their sundae in a cup, and it looks phenomenal. Oh my gosh. Strawberries are fresh, everything mixed together. The sundae was just the cherry on top. This food was absolutely amazing. A great experience here at Greek Chicken. 1000% gonna recommend this spot. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out, guys. Stay blessed.